Hello, today we will guide you through how to download videos from a Facebook business page. In this walkthrough, we'll move smoothly from opening Facebook to saving your video, keeping everything simple and clear. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to manage the page and the rights to download the content you're saving. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account that has access to the business page. Start by going to Facebook. Once you're on the home page, head to the business page you want to work with. You can find it in your Pages section or by using the search bar. Click the page to open it. You should now be viewing the page's dashboard and timeline. Next, open Meta Business Suite. You'll typically find a button or link to Meta Business Suite in the page's left-hand menu or near the top of the page tools. Click it to enter Facebook's central hub for page management. This is where Facebook organizes your posts, messages, and analytics in one place, and it's also where you'll access the tools you need to download your video. Inside Meta Business Suite, click on Content. The Content area collects your published posts, including your videos. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a list of posts with thumbnails, timestamps, and performance information. This view makes it easier to spot exactly which video you want to download, especially if you manage a busy page. Find the video post you need, then click the three dots, also known as the More Options menu, on that post. This small menu is where Facebook places additional actions that aren't shown by default. Look for the option labeled Download or Download Video and select it. If you manage multiple similar posts, double-check the thumbnail and date to ensure you've opened the correct one before you proceed. Finally, select the item you want to download if prompted, and confirm. Your browser will begin downloading the video file. Depending on your browser settings, it will either ask you where to save it or place it in your default Downloads folder. For easier organization, consider renaming the file right away and moving it into a clearly labeled project or campaign folder so you can find it later without hassle. That's it. You've gone to Facebook, opened your page, entered Meta Business Suite, navigated to Content, used the three dots menu to access the download option, and selected your video to download. Thanks for following along, and remember to repeat these steps anytime you need to save a copy of a video from your Facebook business page.